All right, let's talk taxes. Governments like to spend money on roads, on schools, on military jets that cost $80 million and crash during test flights, and sometimes on commemorative coins no one asked for. But governments don't sell products. So where do they get the money? Taxes. Taxes are mandatory payments from people and businesses to the state. If you don't pay them, you get a strongly worded letter and eventually jail. There are different kinds of taxes. Income tax, a slice of your paycheck. Corporate tax, a slice of your company's profits. Sales tax / VAT, a slice of what you spend. Property tax, a slice of your house. Capital gains tax, a slice of your successful investment. Wealth tax, a slice of rich people's existence. Rare, controversial, difficult to implement. Excise tax, a slice of your bad habits. Alcohol, cigarettes, fuel, sugar. Progressive taxes mean higher incomes pay a higher percentage. Regressive taxes hit low-income earners harder. Flat taxes don't care who you are. Everyone pays the same rate. Governments use this money to fund public goods, things that everyone uses, but no one would pay for voluntarily, like clean air, national defense, streetlights, welfare programs, unemployment benefits, pensions, healthcare, food assistance, infrastructure, bridges, trains, pipes, potholes, mostly potholes, debt payments, more on that in 30 seconds. So governments collect money and spend money. That's called a budget. If spending greater than taxes, that's a budget deficit. If tax is greater than spending, that's a budget surplus. It's rare, like a unicorn or a fully funded public library. To cover the deficit, governments borrow money. They issue bonds, IOUs, that say, buy this and we'll pay you back later with interest. If you've ever bought a government bond, congratulations. You lent money to a government. Total accumulated deficits over time equals national debt. Most countries have debt. The US, over $34 trillion and counting. Japan, over 260% of GDP. Norway, basically debt-free, but only because they accidentally struck oil. So, is government debt bad? It depends. Debt is fine if it's used for productive investment like infrastructure. It stays sustainable, doesn't grow faster than GDP. Interest rates are low. Debt is bad if it's used to fund vote-winning nonsense. It causes runaway inflation. Investors lose trust and demand higher interest or stop lending altogether. At some point, debt interest becomes a budget item of its own. You borrow money to pay back money you already borrowed. That's called servicing the debt. In extreme cases, governments can default, stop paying entirely, like Greece in 2012, Sri Lanka in 2022, and Argentina 9 times.